In this module, we are going to talk about concept of global village and globalization. Technology plays a significant role in transforming the world into global village. Increased interconnectedness is going on. Information can be globally accessed regardless of cross-border distances. Integration of politics and economy is going on. Sometimes politics make impact on economic systems or sometimes economic decisions make an impact on political decisions. For example, traveling from London to Halifax. So in 1920, by ship, 336 hours, 2 weeks time. In 1958, by jet airliner, 7 hours within few hours. So it is how things are changing in this age of globalization when there is compression of space and time is going on. Pre-globalization era, no technology, no proper transportation system, no advanced communication system. People used be busy with their routine tasks. The purpose of earning was only just survival, that is good living. But today, people are more materialistic and they go beyond that good living. What are the motives behind this concept of global village and globalization? Slow transportation caused a lot of troubles in the pre globalization era, and slow communication in pre globalization era, confined to daily routines, and tough livings was there. In post globalization era, invention of electricity, communication technology, transportation system, cell phone technology, computer technology, all that technological sophistication and its integration with each other, making the whole communication system scientifically advanced and very much refined for understanding the individual behaviors at international level. At the same time, it is making it more complex for the sovereign state to understand or to predict the individual behavior at international level because that scientific advancement is also making this possible that artificial things or artificial data can be shown to construct any opinion of any individual sitting in any part of the world.